Hey beautiful people, it's Coach Steph here and welcome back to Stronger Together. This is your space to reconnect, reset and continue growing in love together. Over the past 2 weeks, we've been learning to listen with love and to give one another grace and patience. We've been building something meaningful, a foundation of emotional safety, one intentional moment at a time. And this week, we step into something freeing, which is acceptance. Because every relationship carries differences in personality, in perspective, in how we love, express, and even process life. And sometimes those differences can feel like distance. But mature love understands something deeper. Our differences can become our greatest strength when we choose to honor them. So take a slow breath with me, in and out. And if your partner is with you, just take a moment to look at them. If not, simply picture them in your mind and gently say within yourself, we celebrate our differences as strengths. Now just allow these words to settle into your heart. We're two individuals, beautifully unique, designed to complement and not compete. When one of us is bold, the other brings balance. Where one dreams freely, the other brings grounding and clarity. Where one carries energy, the other brings calm. And together, we are whole. Not because we're the same, but because we're wonderfully different. We celebrate our differences as strengths. If this resonates with you, just type different in the comments or in your journals. Today, we release comparison. We release the pressure to think the same, feel the same, or love in identical ways. Instead, we begin to appreciate what makes each of us unique, because our differences don't divide us, they develop us. They stretch our patience, expand our understanding, and teach us to see life through a wider lens. So together, say this. We celebrate our differences as strengths. Again, we celebrate our differences as strengths. Our relationship thrives on balance, not sameness. We respect each other's perspectives even when they differ from our own. We stay open, curious, and willing to learn from one another. Because true partnership is not about control, it's about curiosity. So this week, when you notice something your partner does differently, pause for a moment. Instead of resisting it, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Because the more we appreciate instead of criticize, the more peace we create. And the more peace we create, the stronger our connection becomes. So let's settle into your heart and say this together. Our relationship thrives on balance, not sameness. We respect and honor our differences. We grow by learning from one another. We celebrate our differences as strengths. So take one final deep breath in and out and feel gratitude for the unique bond that makes your relationship what it is. Because together, you're creating something special, not perfect, but deeply meaningful. If this spoke to you today, share it with another couple on their journey and subscribe as we continue to grow stronger together. I'm Coach Steph, and I'll see you next week. Until then, keep appreciating, keep growing, and keep choosing love that sees beauty in every difference. Thank you so much for listening. Take care.